Hey everyone! Today we'll talk about the genius design about this game on your screen. You probably already played it since it went viral, but if you didn't, the most amazing thing is that it's very simple to explain what it's about. It's the game about the mad year 2020. Simple. You might also be wondering, since you probably can read and came here because of the title, how the heck did this game made over $20,000? Well, let's talk about it. First and foremost, the quick and dirty answer is this. The game has a genius simplistic design, it appeals to your sense of nostalgia, raises your affection for the game/developer, and then makes it easy for you to donate in the end. By the way, if right now you play through it, you won't see any numbers in the donation screen. I don't know why they pulled it out, or even who pulled it out, but it was around $20,000 on January, so today it might be higher, although by not much more. Given that, if you are still here, I decided to break down the genius design in 21 small details. I'll go over each one of them now, in a somewhat cinema scenes fashion. Let's go! Number 1, it loads very fast. It's very important because anyone that has ever worked with websites before knows that every 0.1 seconds makes the drops go high like 2, 3, 4, 5% for each 1.1 seconds your site takes to load. So, if your site loads very fast, more people will play your game. Number 2, you have clear instructions both on mobile and on desktop. And let's be real, most people might have played it on mobile. Number 3, if you are playing it on PC, you can jump with either spacebar or up arrow. That might seem like a small detail, but it makes a difference in the long run because I don't know if people, even people that didn't read the instructions at first and press the spacebar, they might get something out of it. Number 4, it has amazing non-intrusive music. Number 5, it has accessibility by having 5 languages to choose from. And that's amazing. It's not because you are making an indie game or a small game that you doesn't have to include other languages. On the contrary, since it might have close to no dialogue whatsoever, why not increase your audience by hundreds of millions by putting the most used languages over there? Think about it. Number 6, if you die, the only option is to restart from checkpoint. So quitting is implicit because at any point you can just close the game. And it reloads instantly. It's very important. Number 7, attention to detail number 1. Carrying the koala clarifies it's about the Australian fires, and it's also very cute. Number 8. The first part about the COVID is nostalgic/funny with the very long line of toilet paper. Again, attention to detail. Number 9. The stock market crash is also another detail that will make you go, ha, I remember it. And now it's easy to laugh about it since the market has recovered. Number 10. The quarantine inside the house is genius. The sound effects plus the visual cues with the toilet paper and then the books. Notice that there's no bling or bling when it's over, but you just know that the door will open then. Now rewatch this scene without any sound or visual cue whatsoever. It's funny because it's insane. You might think the game bugged and a lot of people would drop out by then. Number 11. Lockdown clears nature again. Nostalgic moment that makes you nod and go, ha, I remember it too. Number 12. Oil prices being negative or zero is also another creative nod. Number 13. The clowns with common text is extremely relatable for almost everyone. At this point, you might have already built a huge affection for the game. Number 14. Notice that if you drop here, you instantly die. However, before, if you got hit by COVID, you wouldn't die at first. Maybe the developer didn't want you to bounce around a lot and potentially bug the game and frustrate you, so he just made you die simply on this part, and that's okay. Number 15. George Floyd nod. Very respectful, thoughtful, beautiful, and most amazing, silent. Without a word, it just makes you even more affectionate towards the game. Number 16, the TikTok nod is hilarious. Honestly, I just spent like 2 minutes here just waiting for something to happen, but it's just this song. Number 17, The floods are also not a nod. Number 18. US election nicely portrayed. Notice how, if you stop running, they stop too. It's so funny. Number 19. COVID second wave and the vaccine being used as a weapon is witty and also helpful and educational, honestly, given the world we live in. Number 20. Acknowledgement that it was hard, but we survived, make you feel good about yourself. Number 21. The message in the end is simple, to the point, gives you a reason why, is specific, and appeals to your affection, which at this point should be going through the roof. And that's it for this video. If you like videos... Hi! Here's something different for this video. If you are still here and like this format, I have something very simple to ask of you. You see, I started this channel half a year ago, and my ultimate goal with it is to help you in any way I can to make a living out of game development. It's not how to make $1 million or whatever with a game, because honestly, I haven't done that myself yet. However, many years ago, I went bankrupt when developing games, and it hurt a lot. Since then, I've learned a lot about game design, game development, business, marketing, sales, and understood a lot better why I failed back then. And that's how this channel was born. However, as many other creators out there, I've been doing it alongside a full-time job, outside of the games industry. So in order for you to free me and bring you even better content and faster, I only ask for one thing. Please subscribe. That's it. I won't even ask you to like, comment, share, or what have you. No, only one call to action. Kindly subscribe, will you? If you like videos that go beyond simple game dev, kindly smash that like button and subscribe. This way I can bring you even better content and faster. That's it for now. Bye!